Welcome to the historic barn. Just want to kind of show you what we got going on here. To get a real video. A lot of questions about how it looks set up with tables, and we've got one here to show you today. So as you can see, both sides of the barn open up to the outside. And we have tables on both the lower level as well as the loft areas. And we'll go up there in just a minute. These doors open up to a back flat field, so you can have both the party inside and outside. We can seat anywhere from 40 to 60 people on the lower level of the barn, leaving the middle space as a dance floor or for food service or whatever you might imagine. And then we'll go up to the upper loft on the first side. And on this side, we could seat another 21 plus people. And this area will lead us to the games by going down this hallway and outside. And we'll go look at that in just a minute. And then we'll go over to the other loft. You can see it from across here, but we got to go down the stairs and up the stairs again. And here we go. And this loft has the most light and windows. And again, we could seat 21 plus people, again, up top in this other loft. So we're able to seat 100, 125, maybe even 150 if you don't want a dance floor in the barn. Hope you enjoyed the tour and that you'll book your event with us here at Touchstone Manor sometime soon. Have a great day.